11:47 p.m. Production hunt is down. Login is broken. You need to ship a fix right now. The fix? It's already written, sitting on your feature branch. But that branch has half-finished code. You cannot merge the whole thing. So what do? Git, cherry pick, grab one commit, leave everything else. Let me show you exactly how. First, check your branches. Run, git branch, you're currently on main, and the feature branch exists. Now switch to the feature branch and inspect the commit history. Run, git checkout feature dash, branch, then git log dash oneline. Here it is, the fix for the login bug. That's the commit we want. Now go back to main. Run, git checkout main. This is where production is broken and where the fix needs to go. Now cherry pick the commit. Run, git cherry pick 0C626-2. Git takes that exact change and applies it to main, and that's it. Don't merge everything. Just take what you need. One command, one commit, exactly where you need it. Thanks for watching.